Why do I make a movie again? I make a movie every day.
But there's nothing to film.
No, there is to film. You were just walking to work, isn't it? What we getting?
Free breakfast.
Exactly, free breakfast. That's a movie in itself.
Wow.
No sunset today. I also realised I just picked a horrible jacket choice.
What? Because we can't see you?
That's exactly. Actually, no, that's good because I'm skiing.
That's perfect.
Exactly. If I ski, I wear this. If I snowboard, I'll wear everyone. Okay, so for the people that didn't watch yesterday's video, if you'd like to take my hat, I'm now a ginge. Yay! It looks so bad.
No.
It does. It's terrible. I hate it. I do actually hate it. It's not the red I thought it would be. It seems to me more like it's orange. But we'll have to see what it looks like when I got my uniform on. Because maybe that'll make it better. Is that blood behind you? I don't know.
On the glass.
Oh, it's not my blood, so don't worry about it.
Oh, cool.
So in today's episode of Gondola Chat, we've decided to talk about boards. So everyone knows I have my indoor survival, and that's technically a park board, and it doesn't do well in powder. So this is I bought a Captain Mercury, which does do well in powder, not so well in the park. So between the two boards I have pretty much everything covered, depending on what I want to do. Ben, on the other hand, Ben, what's your old board called?
A yes shifter.
It's got a yes shifter, and
It's a park board.
it's a park board, and so he wanted something stiffer, and he signed up to the carving course. He's refused to bring his new board out, which is this one here, and he's decided that now is the time, just a week before the exam, to start carving and utilising this board. Until we found out, it's about as stiff as a piece of paper.
Yeah. It's pretty soft.
Yeah, I think, was it 4.5 or 5 stiff?
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Feels like a 2.
yeah, I was going to say that, you think when you look at something on paper, you go, well, it's a 5, but these people, there's no actual rating, but it is very, very flimsy. It's like he's writing a piece of paper.
Yeah.
Any words, Ben?
I think I've bought the wrong snowboard.
I think you have. It's also mid-wide, and your feet are very small.
Yep. I've definitely bought the wrong snowboard.
So
To be honest, I just seen it on sale and it was like $290, and I was like, yeah, that would be cool.
I mean, the price and what you got is amazing.
Yeah,
You got brand new snowboard for what, 150 quid?
basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you didn't have a snowboard, this would be it.
It would be, but I already have a snowboard and I can snowboard, and this is not it.
Yeah. So instead, you bought one that's too wide, too soft.
I don't know if I can turn it.
Well, we're gonna find out. So you're probably not gonna see this until later, but for once, Dane, we're wishing that you bring us into the bumps, just so I can see what happens.
I'm scared.
Ask him to do a tail press. Whoa!
Where's Ben gone? Oh, he's gone to the moon.
Yeah. Ask him to do a nose press. It's a tame dog.
I'm scared.
I'm excited.
I'm not.
I think it'll be fine.
I hope it'll be fine.
From a carving perspective, it's wider, so that's going to allow you more angulation.
It's so soft.
Yeah, the problem is as soon as you get to a bit of speed,
I'm gonna die.
you're not going to die, it's just going to be a bit unstable.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna hit a bump and go to the flipping moon.
No, because you can still snowboard, right? You're not like, it's not like you just
I don't know, I've
together.
still done that and I don't know if I can snowboard anymore.
Well, it's going to feel different because the edge to edge is going to be wider, so you're going to feel a little bit.
And also my yes board, it's got that 3D thing on the front, so it's like it's a flat base and then it kind of comes up the side as well. So
okay.
like the edge transition on the yes board, you've kind of got like a step in between doing it. The edge on this is instant, and I went into my toes and nearly died.
Well, if you're watching this tomorrow and it's just me on the lift, it's because Ben, unfortunately, is no longer with us.
Yeah.
So, bye Ben!
Bye.